supported by over 3,000 staff. We're a new university, one built on much older foundations. Indeed, our predecessor institutions were founded in the mid and late 19th century. In the 21st century, London Met continues to commit to providing excellent educational and knowledge transfer services, engaging with real-world issues, transforming individuals and society, and enabling students to achieve their potential and London to succeed as a world city. London Met was created in 2002. Having successfully completed the first 6 years of our existence, the university last year embarked on a comprehensive strategic planning exercise designed to set the direction and focus of the institution for the next 10 years. And as the presiding officer has indicated, we look forward very much to the arrival of the new Vice-Chancellor, Malcolm Gillies, who will take that work forward with renewed vigour. Our plan retains the core values that shape the university, as well as responding to emergent agendas such as the need for closer integration of research, teaching and enterprise, the globalisation of higher education, and developments in e-learning technology. We will continue to develop our portfolio so that it remains both innovative, relevant, and sufficiently flexible to meet the needs of the widest range of students. And we will support that activity by high-quality online provision. At the end of this 10-year period, the strategic plan, the university aims to be recognised as among the UK's most innovative, responsive and successful new universities. We remain committed to offering educational opportunities to everyone who can benefit, and to ensuring the best possible educational and social experience for our students, and the best attainable outcomes for their efforts. I hope that today's graduates will agree that we prepare them to make a difference for themselves, their families, and their communities. And that when they think